There are 4 steps which are super key when learning how to pattern cut. Number 1 is, first of all, understanding how to start working with blocks. So these are your blocks, and there's loads of different ones. You can get trouser blocks, skirt blocks, lots of different blocks. And once you understand how they work, then you can then start creating your own sewing patterns, because they are your stencils to 99% of your designs, and they take the hard work out of pattern cutting. Then what you want to understand is how to start working with darts. And darts create the shaping to your sewing patterns so that the fabric is going to mould around your body. And this is especially important for woven fabrics, because they don't naturally stretch around your body like a stretch knit fabric would. Thirdly is learning how to create various different design features to add to your patterns. So that might be adding in pleats to your sewing patterns, it might be changing a neckline, adding in a fastening, that kind of thing. So then you can create the designs you want. And the 4th thing you need to understand when pattern cutting is how to add your seam and hem allowances, so that then you have enough fabric to be able to sew up your sewing pattern and turn it into a really nice finished garment. So those are the 4 steps to pattern cutting and creating your own sewing patterns for your own clothes.